So Jamaica, bless upon yourself, people. You see it? And right now, I tell you, say, the thing look away. Now, we have some things to talk about. See, we wanna feel about Massacre and the Afrobeat tour situation. Enough people are saying it's a flop Massacre thing. So, Mr. Vega speak on the whole situation about Massacre being on an Afrobeat tour and it not connect. People, drop on the comments in the comment section there, light upon it. Yeah man, I saw Jamaica this, big up on yourself, people. Now, this is how we do, make sure to subscribe if you're new and smash the like button, turn on the notification bell and share the channel and the content them, you see me? Yeah man, real way. Also, checking out the community section, you see it? For link to South Jamaica, see me? Support over there and get a subscribe over there, see it? Yeah man. So right now people, we have DeMarco and Mali Dan and for talk about it now. We have DeMarco drama for talk about and Mali Dan and him deal. And right now still, what going in the street right now are the Fully Bad and DeMarco drama. You see me? So right now, Fully Bad can really say he might prove himself and everybody knows a Fully Bad lyrically. Dark. You see it? So with that said, big up the artists them. Love the work. When I put in out there, see it? Yeah man, no lie, no joke about the thing. So people them a love the clash. See? We see DeMarco have some interesting music out as well, people, some new music. And I know say DeMarco a legend in the thing. So if you see DeMarco right now, Fully Bad, it's a good look for Fully Bad. You see it? So make you see how this turn out still, because I two lyrical artists and production behind them I push it the right way. You know, say this can be a nice time in a dancehall, you know, say enough artists start them clash and just what out the thing and joke out the thing and you know, say when you don't have it like this with some real authentic soldier who really mean business, you have to show support, man, and you know? Yeah man. So we see which part a lot of excitement up online, a big drama and people are say, boy, I think they're on the internet where a certain person must say, boy, spice. I don't even know if he said this people because them things are not normal. I don't know say a person cannot predict your death these days. But I let them say I go on over there in a Rasta. I don't really know, I just report this thing the way it's supposed to report in a Rasta. You see it? So, they must say Mama days they can counter Rasta. And I don't know. Boy, we need motor to deal with that thing like this. We need a elder like motor to sort out that thing like this, brethren, like. So anyway, we switch part 7. I represent Gully Bop to the fullest. Rest in peace, Gully Bop. And people don't notice when I haven't seen me really done a content on that thing, that whole Gully Bop situation still. Because at least one vlogger can make the man get a rest in peace. You see? So rest in peace to Gully Bop and big up him family, them condolence, you know? Yeah man. With that said, people, at the same time, When I go stream gully back music and things so, you know, him think can sort out the right way if you sort out. Yeah man. Now people, everybody a talk about Massacre on this tour on the Afrobeat tour. And if you ask me still, I don't see nothing wrong with it. You see? Because end of the day is it's all about reaching new audience. Some people might look upon it away. You know what I mean? But the same people them where I say that, the same artists them where them a talk about say crowd a stand up on them. When the artists them forward, you know, them same one stand up on the same artist them. Cause you have a minute, you know, where your favorite artist this month next month might not be your favorite artist, you know. So the thing running. You know. Dancehall is like mood swing and nothing personal. You understand me? Fan them just go. They move like wave. Them just move with the wave, you understand? Anyway the energy they are there, so them there. Which, in some cases, hypocritical, but yo, a music bridging and nothing personal, a entertainment at the end of the day. You understand? So, few people we take it personal, start because I know say yo fan base strong, you know. Massacre fan base no normal. Big up all of the fans and big up the artists. You understand? And as well big up the Afrobeat people too, you see me? Straight up man. You have to respect greatness. So anything that dominate the world is your purpose, you know, just happen so. So people, we switch part popcorn forward and throw a shade. That's what everybody says a shade. So we are gonna say it was a dark as you say. The world is yours and everybody knows it. At this kingdom boss thing that you see me dog have all the tattoo. So people want to know, was that one aimed directly to Skeng? Does this mean that Papi have a song forward for this Skeng? Only time will tell. And as well big up Papi and big up Skeng. You don't know. Yeah man, we not instigate nothing, we just talk it as it is. You know, see I saw Jamaican people, make sure so you subscribe and share the content on the channel, you know, people. So this way there right now. So Mr. Vegas I make you know say brawling straight up. See Malidan situation now and the producer. Like a lot of times like John I want to spread out, you understand me? Like a man want to be international. And a label will see you and want to sign you. But the only difference is when you get signed by a label, you really sign with your rights. That's the whole thing. You get some upfront money. But the upfront money will flash in your face. That was just it. Because now you don't own that. So you're not gonna have no rights to that work there. You know what I mean? Some people not gonna look upon it the same. Some people want the hype and the fame. But still it will work out good for both the artist and the producer, you know what I mean? But right now for the producer it's a great move. But the thing we mess up on that still is stop Malidan from film deal still. But still, right now, if your Malidan thing a move, you probably don't even need a deal. Big up Malidan, your thing shot. You see me? So what Malidan I say right now, him just like work on some greater hits. And I hit that. And you don't know. Once Malidan put another one on the toll road, every plane a land, you know. Big up yourself, Malidan. So Jamaica this. It thing shot.